Hi, my name is Sujata Mutana Muchumaninda. I'm from Kodagu, and here I am looking at what are different ways in which we can save the biodiversity that we have in Coorg. I've come here to the estate of Napanda Punacha, and he has actually been doing a lot of work in this area. As part of the collective farming and collective agriculture that we need to do in Kodagu, because that's the only way in which we can survive. Because there are very few benefits that we actually get from the government, but there's a lot that gets contributed to the exchequer. What we're trying to do is just save our land, save the biodiversity. We have rich soil out here, we revere our soil. So it's really important that we help support our farmers who are doing a lot of good work out here. And one such person who's doing very good work in the area of biodiversity and saving some of our indigenous plants is Napanda Punacha. So here we are in his estate, and let's talk to him. Thank you. So Punacha, you were telling us about the different benefits of growing Adi pepper. You spoke about it not being labor intensive, that it doesn't need fertilizers, it doesn't need irrigation, and that you can plant and forget about it and then come back to harvest. Now can you tell us something about the harvesting process?
See, that the advantage with the Adi pepper is, see, the before maturity, it unlike the other peppers, see that in Piper nigrum, when we talk to the other species, Piper nigrum, that all the varieties, when it ripes, that after maturity, directly it turns to red. It will be in green color. When it matured also, it will be in green color only. But whereas in Adi, so it will be in green color. Now it is tender. So when it is matures, that maturing time will be the yellow color. So it turns to yellow. So it clearly indicates that yellow color which has turned yellow color. So that will be a matured one.
For harvesting.
Ready for harvesting. So seeing that one, that the yellow color, we can start harvesting. And if we want that white pepper or red comes, then we can wait for the ripening period. Then when it turns red, we can harvest the red pepper and make it red pepper and white pepper also, and as well black pepper also.
So you're saying that it's very simple to even harvest. It's not a complicated process at all. So all the way from planting to growing to harvesting, and because of the medicinal property and the size, one of the beauties of Adi pepper is the size and we were also, and the flavor. So you're saying that the value, it enhances the value multifold, and that is something that we need to focus on.
See that when you come to the medicinal this one, so it is very good against that any cold related like illnesses or problem or disease, the throat itching or sneezing, cold and cough such things. So if you keep a kernel of Adi pepper in your mouth, so that relaxes you. That irritation will not happen. So so in this COVID period, we are using this pepper corn as a throat sanitizer. So whenever we go out, we keep a kernel of pepper in our mouth and just we chew it for a long time. So it slowly releases that whatever chemical, biochemical is there. So most of the biochemical emitters are like
heparin is higher value.
Areas are there, that alpha-fenadine is there, D-limonene, it is said to be a D-limonene when I searched in the net. It is said to be a cancer curative, not only cancer this one. That is in the net it is mentioned as it is cancer curative. So and many other chemicals there, biochemicals are there. Around 29-30 biochemicals are there. All are health beneficial only. Then another thing that it has got more this one, that pericarp this one, that it's rind or what
the rind one.
So that is thicker also. So it is that the skin has got the property of the cholesterol reducing this one. So both corn and as well this skin also has got very good benefits.
So what I really liked about it is the way you're kind of promoting Adi pepper, because it helps the biodiversity of Coorg, and it is an indigenous variety of pepper grown in Coorg. So thank you so much for this, Punacha, because you've shared so much of stuff and you've also done a lot of work in this area. Congratulations to you, and thank you for promoting this. I hope a lot more of the youngsters are able to do it. Not just that, probably you're also looking at more people planting this, because once we get
because we have to, if we have to
this
put a
collective
bio-
planting is what you were talking
that is
about,
what,
right?
that is, we want more planter or more people to plant this one and get it certified also. So there are scope to get it tagged as a global indicator.
The geotag.
GI tagging.
GI tag.
So this paper has got all the characteristics to get GI tagging also. This is the only paper which you can see throughout the world. So that opportunity is there. So if all our farmers community plant this, so they can get it done also. So then as the more people plant this one, so our biodiversity will be intact. That it will not be disturbed much.
Yeah, and our dependence on growing any other kind of pepper, which requires irrigation, fertilizers, and a lot of labor care, is going to go away, right? So this is what you're seeing is Adi pepper. You'll see that the size of the peppercorns is much higher. You also heard about the multiple benefits, medicinal benefits. So here's wishing that we have a lot more people in Kodagu, and in case it grows in other places there also, but because we are looking at saving the biodiversity of Kodagu, we are looking at growing a lot more of Adi pepper. It is indigenous to Coorg and it has a lot of medicinal values. I'm also looking at sharing this with all of you. Request all of you to buy these plants and saplings that are being grown by Poonacha. He has his nursery at 7th Hoskote, which is near Suntikoppa. Can you please share your number with us?
Yeah, my contact number is 9448-515-015.
Okay. Do you have an
9448-515-015.
Thank you. And do you have an email ID in case people want to reach out to you? And you're going to reach out to Poonacha to buy his plants, because we are looking at promoting this as part of the biodiversity of Coorg, and the more number of people who grow it is going to be better for Kodagu, for the biodiversity of Kodagu, and for all the work that Poonacha has put in. It's going to benefit him a lot, and it's not just a benefit. He's been growing it anywhere, but I think we are all going to benefit from growing Adi pepper because of the multiple benefits that he spoke about. So Poonacha, your email ID, do you have an email?
My email ID is poonachanapanda15@gmail.com.
Okay, poonachanapanda15@gmail.com. Thank you so much and wish you all the best.
Thank you.